Some people may have left this video after listening my dialogue, reading part, listening part, and thinking part. I'm gonna tell you this is not common, but our mouth is not trained. Now it's time to deliver the dialogues. You just need to think that after 1 month you will definitely see a huge improvement, drastic improvement in your speaking level. If 1,000 people are watching this video, maybe 900 people will quit. When you watch English videos, you can easily get understand what the dialogue is saying. You can easily get understand the situation. But when it comes to speak, you get stuck, your mind gets blank. Does it really happen with you? If it happens with you, you are watching the correct video. I will tell you the complete procedure step by step. Every step that will really help you to understand and improve your English level. So now I'm gonna tell you, but before starting, I want to tell you that if you are not dedicated, if you are not consistent and hardworking, just stop watching this video. Because this procedure, this formula that I'm gonna give you the tips, this needs only hard work and consistent. If you are not the perfect right now, don't worry, but you should be the hardworking and consistent. So some people may have left this video after listening my dialogue, but the rest of who are still watching this video, they should follow the 4 things. They need to work on their speaking part, reading part, listening part, and thinking part. I know now most of you will say that these are common, we know already, but these 4 things are common, but the procedure that I'm gonna tell you, this is not common. This is really very improvable for you, workable for you. This will really help you. So first of all, you need to work on your listening part. What you need to do, just select a video. It should be 5 or 6 minutes. You need to watch that video 3 times, but keep remember the content should be understandable. The content should be on the basis of the story or the topic, that you can easily get it and realize or relate with something. It should be relatable. And now you should watch this video for 3 or 4 times. So after watching this video, you need to just transcript that video through the YouTube transcription on the Google. YouTube transcription will make note of complete dialogues and of complete topic. It will give you a note. So you need to read that note aloud 3 or 4 times. Once you complete this, you need to go to the in front of mirror and try to speak everything. You have listened that story, you got that story, you have read also, so your mouth has been trained for speaking. Because what happen if we have listened, but our mouth is not trained, so we get stuck, we are not able to speak. But if our mouth and tongue is trained right now, so we can easily deliver the dialogues. Now it's time to deliver the dialogues. You just need to think that story that you have seen and listen. Speak the story from starting till end. You have to end that. Insist yourself that now you will end. I know in the beginning you will make many mistakes. It can be grammatical mistake. It can be you were stuck in the between, but you need to complete that. You need to insist yourself. So once you complete it, then you need to work on your thinking part. How you will work on your thinking part? Whatever you are thinking. I know we all think in our native language in the beginning, but we need to translate every sentence into English. How you will do it? Whatever the situation is happening, going through your mind. So I am eating the food right now. So I am thinking the food is not tasty, it's salty, and the light is not good right now. So whatever I am thinking in my native language, I need to translate, and now I'll think again every sentence in English. I know in the beginning it is a challenging situation. If 100 dialogues are coming in your mind, maybe you are able to translate or form 60 sentences into English. But Other rest of the body sentences, how you will do what and how you will translate it, just go to on the Google Translate, write the sentence, and you can get. So let how we can form this sentence like this. You need to tell your mind, we can form this sentence like this. Now, if you continuously do for 1 week, in the beginning it will be really very challenging. You may think that how can I do it, but gradually you will be habitual. That what is habitual? Like, most of the time we think repeatedly, the situation comes repeatedly, the scenes that we go somewhere, most of the time we go repeatedly. If you are going office, most of the talks happens repeatedly, so your thoughts also comes repeatedly. Now your mind has been trained. Now your mind will say that no, you don't need to translate, I know what is the meaning. Now your mind start thinking in English directly without any translator. This will happen. This will not happen in the beginning, but gradually it will happen. You will not able to see the progress in 1 day, but after 1 month you will definitely see a huge improvement, drastic improvement in your speaking level. So, but it can be possible if you are consistent while completing this process. It can be possible if you don't quit. It can be possible if you are hardworking. I know if 1,000 people are watching this video, maybe 900 people will quit and only 100 people will start this following this process. And I'm sure 90% people, they will quit in the between in the first week. But 10% people who are dedicated, consistent, they insist themselves that I will have to do. If someone says to me, I will have to do nothing else in his life before this, apart from this. So these kind of people will definitely improve their English speaking level. That is why we say that everyone is not rich, because everyone is not consistent. Hard work. No matter you are intelligent or you are dumb, if you are consistent or hardworking, you will definitely achieve your goal. You will be definitely skilled. So I want comments first of all from those people who have just started working on this process. Then I want comment one more time in the last of the month, after 30 days, who is still working on their process.